everyone, how to totes. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install Sai Chat with AI Friend app in your device. So if you use iPhone, then go to App Store, and if you use Android, then go to Play Store. Okay, so I'm going to click on the Google Play Store, so I can see on the Google Play Store. Then you need to type the word Sai chat with AI friend. So you can see this is the app, and this is really amazing app. If you want to chat with AI, and if you share your feelings with AI, then this app is perfect. So simply tap on the install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching the video.